Okay, we're juicing here. Making kale juice for Peter. There's a little spinach going in. See where it comes, that comes out, and the juice is in the little strainer thing down there. Oh, pointing to, got it. And here's our trove of items. Just jam it in there. There's more spinach going in. Pulp coming out. But we really are doing this for the kale, because we know that's Peter's favorite. So we kind of roll the kale up, and then put it in the top, and then it kind of eats it up on its own. Another kale demonstration. Going right in. Yum! Yum, yum, yum. We also have ginger that's going in, a little ginger, and we're putting in a few beets. Here's some beets. Apples, spinach. Got it? Okay. Jump on the bus and come on over.